Mr. Ranendra Kumar Swain. Please, sir, come on to the dais and take your seat.
Mr. Ranendra Kumar Swain is a successful, renowned businessman, a social worker, an industrialist, and more importantly, the backbone of this institution. Under your leadership, sir, more than thousands of people are engaged in the different sectors of your industry in the various parts of the state. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable, kindly presence at here.
We will elated to welcome our director, sir, Mr. Raghav Vikram Kesari, sir, to come on to the dais and have your seat.
Sir, he's the man of his words. He had passed BTech and MBA from Vinayak Missionaries University, Chennai. He started his career as an employer. By his hard working and dedication, he is now the famous and successful, renowned businessman in the local area. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable presence, sir.
Now I will request our director, sir, Mr. Rahul Swain, to come onto the stage and take your seat.
He is the man who hardly needs any introduction. He has passed MBA from Amity University, Delhi. He started his career as an employer. By his hard working, passion, and fully commitment, he is now the famous and renowned business person of this district. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your presence out here.
Now I would request our chairman, sir, Mr. Chittaranjan Rathab, to come to the stage and have your seat.
Sir, you are serving as a senior engineer in the state archaeological department for 3 years. He has been a part of educational body of PNS Diploma College. Presently, he is the chairman of Janet International School. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your presence.
And I welcome all the guests to our second annual function of Zenith International School. As you know, every occasion begins with the grace and blessings of our presiding deity, Lord Jagannath. I now request the guest of honor, Mr. Ranendra Kumar Swain, to light the ceremonial lamp and other guests to join with them. Thank you so much, sir. I now request my students to render the welcome song. That is our tradition and custom. I now request my students to offer a floral welcome to the dignitaries on dais. Thank you. Request my esteemed chairman sir to present the memento to the guest of honor, Mr. Anindra Kumar sir. Let us have a huge round of applause for. Thank you, sir.
A delightful evening to one and all present over here. On behalf of Zenith International School, Zenith family, and from the total entire fraternity, I deem it a great honor and privilege to stand before you to propose the words of gratitude. The total year's works and the begins with us and glorified this evening. Gratitude becomes love, love becomes devotion, devotion becomes surrender, surrender becomes faith, and faith reveals the divine. By saluting to the divine, our Lord Baldevji, on behalf of the Zenith School, I am going to read out the annual report of the school, the works that we have done throughout the year. Our session starts on the 26th March 2019. After 1 month of classes, we started the summer vacation from 18th April and school reopens once again on the 20th June. The first periodic test was conducted from 10 July to 15 July. We also stand with all our family members Accordingly, with the sorrow moment of our Honorable Chairman, sir, we also attended the death ceremony along with all the staffs on 24th July. Teachers are the founders of the school. They are actually the soldiers for your students, those who are bringing them from the darkness to the light. For empowering them, we are also conducting various teachers training programs, and the first teacher training program was conducted by the principal myself on 30th June, and after that the prestigious thing for you all my reverend parents, was also taken. CBSE has recruited two inspection person and they have conducted the inspection for the school for affiliation to the CBSE. Mrs. Namita Mahanti, Principal CDA DAV, and Principal Mr. Ajay Kumar Sahu, Principal KB Paradip, has inspected the school for its affiliation on the 2nd August. Albogena tablet was given to the students on the 8th August. Speech, debate, song, drawing, coloring competitions are conducted for Independence Day on 13th August. Independence Day with full joy and fun celebrated with all our students, staffs, and our Honorable Chairman sir has hosted the flag on the occasion. Examination is for students' evaluation, but its result is the pillar for us to re-evaluate our students, rebuild their career, modify and rectify them for the next examination, for which purpose we have taken our first PTM on 17th August. PCRA competition was conducted from class 5th to 8th on the topic oil conservation on 22nd August. Medical staffs come to take their report of deworming on 24th August of 2019. Puja, celebration, observation are one part of our GIS family, and we are enjoying that one with full joy and mob. The Ganesh Puja was celebrated on the 2nd September 2019, and periodic test 2 was started from the 16th September to 21st September. School level speech competition was conducted on the eve of Gandhi Jayanti on 21st September. NSGO and SOF exams were conducted in different days, but the first exam started on the 26th September. During the CCA classes, house-wise quiz competition was conducted on 27th September. Second PTM was conducted on the 28th September. Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated on 2nd October. Students cleaned the school premises respecting Swachh Bharat Abhijan, and meeting was conducted after that, and one child as Gandhi graced the occasion. You can also, we will represent that one on our video. Durga Puja is one of the most important festival in our country, and for that purpose we have the vacation, and that vacation starts from the 4th October and school reopens on the 15th October. Teachers training program was conducted in middle on classroom management, copy correction, duties and responsibilities on teachers. Duties and responsibilities of teachers, which one was conducted on the 4th October. Teachers training program was also another one program was conducted on the next day regarding the teaching methodology, because how to teach in the class, how to control the students, and what is the true methodology of teaching. On its respect, 5th October also, second day teachers training was conducted. Also one expert was supposed to come on the 14th of October, before the reopening day of the school. Due to his absence, myself, principal, also taken as effective teaching training to the teachers how to teach effectively in the conduct, how to teach effectively in the class. SOF English Olympiad exam was conducted on the 15th. Slogan writing and Diwali card making competition was conducted on the CCA classes on the 8th, 18th October. Oratorio ERP demonstration was conducted on the 22nd September for giving smooth information for the ICARD and other expectations message. Smooth running of the school, the ERP demonstration was conducted. Staff meeting was conducted regarding classroom teaching, half yearly examination, rules and regulations of the teachers, and duty and responsibility of the teacher on the 22nd October. NSGO English Olympiad was conducted on the 1st November. Rangoli competition was conducted on the 1st November also. Parents management meeting was conducted on the 2nd November for talking with different points and discussing with the parent and management also taken. Few students participate in Jilla Boitamandana Samiti at Tulsi Women's College. On 3rd November, Itisri Behera of our student was taken the 3rd prize on the song competition and he was being awarded on its meeting. New winger was purchased. For the transportation there was a lot of complaint. So we have added another one new winger on the 6th November with the school transportation. Half-yearly examination was conducted on the 7th November to 16th November, and next to that we also celebrated, in between to that, Children's Day was celebrated and bouquet competition and meeting was also conducted on that. Play class was a dream of our management from the long days before, and for the starting of the session of the play classes, we also started our play classes from the 14th November on the eve of Children's Day. SOF Science Olympiad was conducted on the 22nd November. Best out of West competition was conducted during the CCA classes from standard 3 to standard 8. For more training to the teachers, we are also sending our teachers to the outside. Accordingly, we send Gayatri Patra, our administrator, Happy Singh, teacher of preschool year 4, Sumitra Jaina, attendant of the preschool year 3, were sent to attend the workshop conducted by the Next Education publication on 23rd November. NSGO SST examination was conducted on the 26th. The school was registered in National Scholarship Portal for appearing the NSP examination was registered on the 27th November. During CCA classes, birthday card making competition was conducted on the 29th November and 4th PTM was conducted on the 30th November. Teachers training session was conducted by the Next Education trainer, Mrs. Rajni Pandey, on 30th November was also present, and before the PTM we have taken that play class and the Montessori class teachers training. A cricket match was conducted between Rebel team and Shining team on the 11th December, and winner is awarded by the Running Cup. The annual sports of the Zenith International School at Zenith Carnival was conducted on the 13th December and 14th December, and as chief guest we got Mr. Dinesh Chandra Devnath, who has inaugurated the sports, hosted the flag, and also given away some prizes by inaugurating the first event. NSGO Math Olympiad was conducted on the 7th December also. Like this, we can say that God gives us eyes, but the teachers gives and shows the skies. God persons have a misery zeal with thanks Almighty for them and nail. We are always respect our parents. We always respect also our members, and also the GIS family always respect each and every individual present with us. But we have one keen interest within us. We respect our children. We respect our children's emotion. We respect our children's academic, education and all-round development. For which purpose always the Janit family is in progress. And we have a motto, and also we have a promise that our students are always our future. They will learn from us only. They will commit the mistake, and we, the teachers, are only the friend, philosopher and guide for them to rectify them and to show them the right light on its respect. Also for this evening, I would like to welcome our Honorable Ranendra sir. From his busy schedule, sir is present, and due to his presence only we are able to open our stage and the function today. With very regretfully I will tell that we also got the consent from our Honorable Collector sir over here due to his busy schedule, and today conference, video conference with the Chief Minister and the Secretary, Chief Secretary. He is supposed to come little bit late. And we are eagerly also waiting by giving respect to the time, by giving respect to the emotion of our children, by giving respect to the cold winter and the cold wave. We started the program with the permission of the collector sir only. And also Honorable SP also given his consent to come over here, either SP or additional SP, anyone will come. But due to the meeting of SP sir and additional collector sir, they are out of the station, so they are not today, even if they will not come to join with us. With a great sorrow, I will beg excuse from all my dignitaries and the staffs and the parents, students, those who are present over here. Please cooperate on this matter. Again, another two important person of Cine World, they are also supposed to come, and they are on the way. They are on the way to come, and very soon they are going to arrive, and if they will arrive, they will join us. And we are also requesting our collector sir to come, and when he will free, he will also come and join with us. Again also, I'll welcome to the stage our always ever present three dignitaries. One of them is our Honorable Chairman sir, because he don't need any introduction. He is always with us for all our sorrow and joy. Like that also another one personality, Bikram sir also present with us. He is one of our directors sir. I want to welcome him also to the stage. And also I would like to welcome another one, Rahul sir. Both of them don't need any introduction. I'll also welcome all my parents, those who are here. I'll also welcome the invitees to whom we have invited, and by giving respect to our invitation, although they will have some busy schedules, still they are coming here. I'll also like to welcome them. I'll also welcome to all my dignitaries, media people, those who are coming over here and extending their supporting hand, both electronics media and print media also. I'll also welcome other invitees to over here. And I don't want to say anything else to my little kids. They are here, they are going to perform, and they are going to do all the works for your enjoyment, not only the enjoyment, but to show their talency. For what purpose, with what confidence, my honor, my honor, parents send their children to the school to prosper their all inner qualities. Once again, on behalf of this family, I will welcome you and thank you all for your presence. Thank you and thanks a lot to one and all present over here. I will request Chita sir to fulfill the gap. Sir, please.
President of this meeting, our Principal Chandrakant sir, Honorable Guest of Honor Mr. R.K. Swai, our respected guardians, media brothers, and all Janiti family members, as well as the gems of our Janit family. Good afternoon to all the wonderful people present here. I, on behalf of Janit family, welcome you all on this much awaited day, that is Inspiria 2019. I am delighted to have such eminent persons on the dais to grace this occasion. This year, the birds of the Janit will surely think themselves privileged to have such luminous icons among them. The people on this dais not need any introduction. They will smear all the kids through their ocean of wisdom. Let me add a few lines of the introduction, that the school is a dream came true of the not only a few educationists of this locality, but also of the local guardians. The motto of this family is to let kids pursue their dreams and convert those dreams to reality. We have been utmost careful in providing quality education at a reasonable price. The result is also noteworthy, as one who enters this campus is sure to feel this, what is the change inside. The general ambience here helps one grow to be self-propelled rocket in future. Needless to say that still we are on the path of success that leads to a higher goal in each moment. In future, the school will grow and change without away from our vision. As the head of the organization, I will give sincere thanks all of you for your cooperation and have a nice day today. Thank you very much.
I now request our director, sir, Mr. Rahul Swai, sir, to come and address the audience.
Namaskar. A very good evening to one and all. First of all, I would like to thank our honorable chief guest. After having his busy schedule, he has come to celebrate this day with us. You makes us honored. Everybody know me as a business tycoon, entrepreneur, and a social worker. Secondly, I would like to thank our respected principal sir, teachers and co-staffs for arranging such a beautiful evening for our kids. Last but not the least, of course, parents. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara. Guru Shaksa, Param Brahma, Tasmai Si Guruve Nama. Guru. What is Guru? Guru is made up of two words, Gu and Ru. Gu means darkness, Ru means light. Guru means who takes and guides us from darkness to light. In my opinion,